Hi, good morning everyone. So today I am going to talk to you a bit about spondylitis and how you can get rid of a lot of pain that you feel in your body through a bit of meditation, pranayama and a few exercises. So first thing is, when you get spondylitis, I know the pain is a lot behind your neck and the lower upper part of your back. So what can actually help you to control it and get rid of spondylitis? Now, from the yogic point of view, main thing is you should de-stress, relax and let all these muscles relax and strengthen it, not to get this problem again. So pranayama plays a very important role. What you need to do is just deep breathing in and slow breathing out, and again deep breathe in and slow breathe out 10 times initially. Just relax those muscles, relax your mind, relax your body. Sit in any comfortable position, however you are going to be comfortable. You can just fold your legs and sit, or sit on a chair. Another thing that really helps it is what we call Brahmahi, where you take your index finger, close out all sounds around you and make the sound of a humming from your throat, which is like a sound, which is A-U-M. So you stress on the part of it while you're doing it. I'll show you once. So you take your fingers, close it out, relax your mind and body. There is no hurry. Take a deep breath and go. When you're out of breath, take a deep breath again. Relax that mind and body as you're exhaling gently. And inhale again. You can start with doing it for 2 minutes and go up to 5 minutes. The main thing is you should feel that air going right through all the elements of your head and your neck and your upper back, and you'll feel it all the pain coming out as the sound comes out along with your exhaling. So that, now moving on, a little bit of meditation always helps you to clear your mind, clear your doubts, and with that the stress gets released, and in that way all the aches and pains of not only your neck, all the joints of your body will also reduce. For this, you can sit in any mudra, you can sit however you like comfortably, but preferably if you put chin mudra, it's very good, or Gyan mudra is also good. This is very comfortable chin mudra. Sit straight. If you like, set a soft timer at the side for 2 minutes. All you're going to do is just inhale and exhale calmly, trying to blank out your mind. Any thoughts that come in need to be removed such that it's just a blank mind, and if at all you need to think of how the oxygen is going into all the parts of your body, and as you exhale, any sort of pain, any sort of stress is coming out. So in that way, you can get rid of spondylitis as well as many other ailments with just meditation. Now, since for those who already have it, since you have it, the few exercises you can do is, first, take your hand in line with your shoulder, put it against your face, press against it, putting resistance, hold it for 5 seconds and relax. And do it again. Press and relax. You can start by doing it 5 times. Later, increase every exercise 10 or 15 times and relax. Put both your thumbs under your chin. Reverse pressure, so you're pressing your head down as you're pushing your chin up with your thumb. You just need to hold it there. These are static stretches. And relax. Again. And relax. And again. And relax. Now take your hand to the side of your forehead. Again pressing it against your hand. and relaxing. Put as much pressure as you can, because remember your neck and back may be hurting at the time. So only how much you can. You need to breathe, you need to be relaxed while doing it. So again you press it and relax. Changing your side and relax. And relax. Do it 5 times before you move on to the next one, where you're going to interlock your fingers, hold it behind your head, press your head back as you push your hands forward and just hold it there. Again 5 seconds and relax. And again. The main thing while doing all these exercises is you need to be sitting straight without leaning against anything, so that your shoulders and hip is in a straight line. Similarly, round your upper back, pull your hands forward, stretch. And open it out. Don't look up too high, instead feel a stretch underneath your chin. And relax. Now, to prevent spondylitis and not have to do all this every day, if you do some other simple exercises, you will not get spondylitis as much as possible. And that is the simple head up and down, where you inhale on top, feel the stretch, and when you go down, press your chin into the chest. 10 times. Look over your shoulder, inhale, exhale, center. And again, inhale, exhale, center. And the ear to the shoulder, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Shrug your shoulders and gently down. Now if you don't have any issue, you can always do the jerks, which makes it stronger. Similarly, hand up, pulling down. This is good if you don't have any pain at all. So otherwise you need to do it very slowly. Similarly, rotating your shoulders and reversing it will also help. So these are some things you can do to prevent getting spondylitis. But if not, you add this to the other breathing exercises. You do your pranayama, you do your brahmi, you do your meditation, and you do your static stretches, which I have shown you initially, and this should give you a lot of relief to get rid of any issues with your spondylitis. So hoping that no one has it, but if you are beginning to get it, these exercises will help. So all the best to you and have a great day. Thank you for watching.